Hello, everybody. Okay, I have a very short little story for you. This is aimed at maybe 5 or 6 year olds. It's about 7 or 8 pages long, so let's go through it. So, Lóin Scoil is the name of it. I'm going to go through it first in Irish and then we'll go back through it in English. Tá sé an Lóin san múnseoir. Amach leis an rang. Amach leis an múnseoir ina nia. Bhí lug agus gug fós se seomar range. Bhá lumsa dul amach sa chlós. Agus bhá lumsa dul amach sa chlós comma. Se, amach linn mar sin. Léim lug an ús den telf. Léim gug an ús den telf. Ní féidir lum an doras a oscailt. Ní féidir lumsa é a oscailt ach an irid. Ní féidir linn dul amach sa chlós. Tóg an ús an tarachor agus an carín mar sin. Okay, it's the end of the story, so let's go back up to the start. So, Lóin Scoil. So in Irish we don't, lunchtime at school. So in Irish you don't really say at school, we say on school. So lunch Lóin would be time of lunch, lunchtime at school. Tá sé an Lóin san múnseoir. It is lunchtime. It is lunchtime, said the teacher. Tá sé, it is, in Lóin. It is time for lunch, is kind of maybe a better translation of that. Amach leis an rang, out with the class. Again, this is kind of very common structure in Irish. Kind of go out the class, off went the class, or out went the class, essentially. Amach leis an múnseoir, so out with the teacher, in a nia, in their wake, literally. So this a here is there, in there. The n here is simply to bridge the gap, so you don't have to say I-a, you just say in-a, but the n has no function itself. So this is in there and wake. So Irish makes a distinction between after, when it comes to, if you said they went out after them, then it would be at a later time, whereas in their wake means they follow them. And we know, because this is there, then this word has to have urdu, so in a nia. Bhí lug agus gug fós sa seomar range. So lug and gug were still sa seomar range, in the classroom. Class of room of classes, essentially. Seomra comes from the French word chambre, and rang is a class, but it's plural here, so seomra ranga. Oh, sorry, not plural, this is the genitive form. Ranga. Bowalum sa dul amach sa chlós. So I would like to go out into the yard. So bowalum is I would like. So literally would be good with me, and with me here is emphasized. Lum sa, lum just with me, with lum sa with me. So it would be good with me to go out in the yard. Sa close. Close has a shevu here because of the word sa before it. Ba will always lenite the next word. So ma, but ba, wa. So that's why we have a H here. So you say ismalum, I like, is good for me, or is good with me. Bawalum would be good for me, I would like. So here we have same agus, bawalum sa dul amach sa chlós, choma, as well. Literally co is as, you can use in other sentences too, and ma is good or well, so as well. Se, amach linn mar sin. Here, out with us, so, or therefore. Léim lug a nús den telf. Lug jumped, so this is in the past, but there's no H because of the L. L, N, and R can never have any sort of mutation. Léim lug a nús. A nús is kind of from above to below, then telf. You could say shees here, but a nús just kind of makes it clear that they were kind of put up there and now they're returning back down. And then telf, so they jump down off of the shelf. Here we have the same sentence, just with gug. Ní féidir liom an doras a oscailt. I can't open the door. So ní féidir liom literally is not be possible with me. I can't. Not be possible with me, the door to open, at oscailt. So when you have two verbs in Irish, so the first verb here is ní, the second verb will go at the end, at oscailt. Ní féidir liom. If you wanted to say I can open the door, ní would just change to is féidir liom an doras a oscailt. If you wanted to change it to a question, ní here would just change to on féidir liom an doras a oscailt. So this works in exactly the same way as, is málam, ní málam, an málam. Ní féidir lumsa é a oscailt ach an irid. I can't open it either. So here we have ní lumsa, so just I. It's not possible with me é a oscailt, it to open. So our object here has just become a instead of repeating an doras, it's just a pronoun. Ach an irid, which is a kind of a mouthful of a phrase, but just means either. Ach an irid. Ní féidir linn, it's not, sorry, ní féidir linn dul amach sa chlós. We can't go out in the yard. Literally, it's not possible with us. So here we had lum. So lum is referring with me. Lin refers to with us. Dul amach sa chlós. If you notice, there's an M here in lum. The M refers to may, so it's le, may, lum. Here the INN refers back to a word shin, which you might know from the political party, Sinn Féin. Modern Irish uses mwidge instead of shin, but some places will still use it, and all of the prepositional pronouns like this are based off the word shin. So it's le and shin becomes lin. For example, Uiginn is egg and shin. Tóg anús an tarachor agus an carín mar sin. Take down the tractor and the little car, therefore, or so. So tóg anús, take from above to below, the tractor and the little car. So here we have car in the diminutive form because we have carín at the end. That's why we have this I here now suddenly to balance it. Mar sin, so, or in that case, or therefore. Okay, thank you very much. That's the end of the story. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks very much for all the positive feedback.